Cargo Tetris is a cloud-based service designed to optimize cargo placement in transport vehicles. The system's key features include axial load and center of gravity management. The system helps distribute cargo weight correctly, prevents axial overload, and ensures vehicle stability. Cargo-specific handling. The service considers tilting and stacking capabilities while preventing the placement of heavy items on fragile ones. Custom cargo space database. Users can create and save databases of their cargo compartments for more accurate planning. Cargo and cargo space import. The import function allows for quick data entry regarding cargo and its placement. Multiple project storage. Users can save and manage several projects simultaneously. Report generation in various formats. The system provides reports in Excel or PDF formats and supports consolidated reports for multiple cargo spaces. User-friendly interface. The service features a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy to use. Cargo placement optimization. The service helps maximize cargo placement efficiency by considering dimensions, weight, and other parameters. It selects the optimal transport size and alerts users if the chosen space is insufficient for the entire load. Fast calculations determine how much space the cargo will occupy in a container, truck, railcar, or pallet. Unloading order and segmentation. GLS considers the unloading sequence and distributes cargo into segments, simplifying the unloading process and reducing the time required to locate specific goods. Overload prevention and weight distribution. The service accounts for axial loads and the vehicle's center of gravity, preventing overloading and ensuring safe transportation. It also prevents heavy items from being placed on fragile goods and considers cargo tilting and stacking capabilities. Loading sequence calculation. The system calculates the exact loading sequence, minimizing errors and ensuring efficient workflow for loaders. Report generation. The service generates ready-to-use reports with step-by-step loading schemes in PDF or Excel formats, simplifying documentation and post-analysis of the loading processes.